Welcome back to the Ray Law International channel. How does the history of immigration affect our lives today? Recently, we talked about the arrival of European and African immigrants and the naturalization law of 1790, which allowed white settlers to apply for citizenship after 2 years in the U.S. Today, we're going to jump ahead 25 years to the Irish immigration wave that began in 1815 and at the end of the War of 1812, and the civil unrest that spread like fire. Millions of immigrants began to arrive in the U.S. by boat, and they overwhelmed the port cities of Boston, New York, Charleston, and Philadelphia. The conditions on the boats were so bad that many immigrants arrived very ill or died soon after their arrival. In response, the U.S. passed the Steerage Act of 1819, which required two things: better conditions on the ships and demographic information on the passengers. This was the first time there was a federal record of immigrants' ethnicity, and it spurred a wave of xenophobia. Now, in 1849, an anti-immigration group formed, the Know Nothing Party, who grew from a secret society called the Order of the Star-Spangled Banner. The Know Nothings formed gangs, harassed immigrants, and spread political propaganda about them. They lost support in 1854 when pressure was growing to abolish slavery in the U.S., and they refused to craft policy. By 1860, most of the group had disbanded and joined the Republican Party. The conflicting beliefs in the U.S. resulted in the Civil War. After it ended in 1865, the 13th Amendment abolished slavery, and in 1868, the 14th Amendment gave black people equal protection under the law. In 1875, the Supreme Court declared that the federal government would make and enforce immigration laws. In our next video in this series, we're going to discuss the immigration boom during industrialization and how it shaped the next 100 years. Were you able to track your family roots back to the 1800s? If so, share your story in the comments below. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out our other videos in this series. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.